Hello viewers to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to download Windows 11 image file from official Windows 11 website. So first go to this website download 11. Then come down to create Windows 11 installation media. Click here download now. The media creation tool will get downloaded. Open this file. Read the license terms carefully. Accept it. Click next. Choose your language edition. I am choosing the recommended options for this PC. If you uncheck this, then you will be allowed to choose your language and edition. I am going with the recommended option for this PC. Click next. Since I am going to create an ISO file with this one, so choose ISO file. Click next and choose yours. The place where you want to save this. I am saving it here as Windows Image 11. Click save, and now the progress has started. So I am wait. Please wait till the download gets completed. Once the verification is also completed, the system is going to ask you like burn the ISO file to a DVD. Just click finish. And now your Windows image file is ready. Thanks for watching.